Okay, we're gonna do this one more time. Microphone acted up a little bit, so try and do this in 5 minutes or less. Just gonna do a quick daily recap here of 427.50 on the day. In the sim, of course, just got money moving around, so I wasn't able to trade live. But pretty much, that is just posted. Anyways, I'll look at that after. A couple trades that I want to get into. I'm not going to go into much detail. Made 97 on INVO. Took the trade out of breakout of 2, up at like 195, got at 210. Uh, Pretty simple. Couple hundred shares. Got out when I started halting. I really don't like this garbage under $3 halt, 15-cent halt band plays. It's really not worth my time. The big trades came from TPST. Been watching this thing for a while as our main runner last week. Has lots of good plays, 18 million shares of volume, even on like a slow day. And I'll show you the daily. That was the first day that it ran, and it caught more traction than last week on Friday. Even though it was a major sell-off, it has more volume today, even though it's a small bounce. So back on the 5 minute, my whole idea on this morning was I want to see a pop and then a fade all day, which we didn't really get a fade all day. It was kind of just like a wide range of consolidation. But once I saw that it broke the volume of last week on Friday, this thing might turn bullish. My first instinct was around 575 was to short, but it never got there. So I scalped it for how much? $50, $37.50 for the breakout of 5. Took it for like 495, got it at 508, I think. That was that. And then I waited for this thing kind of to top out. And I saw that there was a lot of consolidation and failure at 5, right under the whole dollar or half dollar 550. I took a starter short at 523, and I added just under 520 for the breakdown of VWAP here. Covered into the whole dollar move of $5, right about there. Just covered about a quarter of my position just to get green on it, and if it came back up, I'd either get a break even or small loss to kind of cancel out my first cover. When it popped back up here, I added that quarter back, 125 shares, to have a full-time or full-size position back again. This is like my one and done add. So if it went high a day, I'd stop out, take a loss on it, or kind of break even. And if it faded, that's great. And it ended up fading, and I took my full position off at 470. So I made about 50-ish cents on this, from average of 520 down to 470, holding 500 shares. Made about $292. So just over the 250, just because I took that cover there and then added back. That's about it. Pretty easy play. Watched the volume die down, watched it fail VWAP, aside from that one pop there, with my risk well above, at 550, 551, 52, and caught the dips on this, and just left it alone for the rest of the day as I saw the liquidity kind of just drop out. You can see the tape is just kind of sitting there, and now the 15-second chart is doing all this sideways action. So I don't really like trading into the later day. I mean, we have 1 minute to the close here, but those are it. Those are my 3 trades. Small trades on the long on TPST, $100 on INVO, and then $300 on TPST. So good day to start the week. Can't complain. Base hits, and moving on. Catch you later.